Hey guys, Eric from Eric and Jen's Excellent Adventure, and here I wanted to do a quick little video for you guys on a mod that I'm doing in our 2017 Spirit Deluxe. It has these push style locks, and we have found that they aren't the greatest. They don't always stay locked during trips and stuff. So I've been searching for something different to do. And I did find some different style ones. I got these things. Where's the camera? These things here. The problem was they need a 3/4 inch hole. All the ones of these type that I found, they need a 3/4 inch hole. So when you take these out, like I did here, let's see if I can figure out how to do the camera. And there we go. All right, I knew I'd get it eventually. That hole is about an inch once you take everything out, take all the old hardware out. So the head of this slips into that hole. The hole's too big. So Jenny had the great idea, hey, what about a washer? So I found these. They are stainless steel washers, and the hole in the ID is 3/4 inch. So I'm able to actually use this and put my lock in, and let's see if we can show you this one. So I did it up here. So this is the washer, this is the outer part, and then that's the lock. So I'm going to show you how I did that. It's actually pretty easy, and as you can see, I already took this one out, but basically it's 2 screws on the back side, and then the whole unit came out, the knob, everything, those little two screws. And then you have this piece in there, which is the trim piece that's around the outside here. And all I did was from the back side, I took a flat screwdriver and just kind of tapped it around the edges, and this little thing popped out and left me with that perfect little hole. So let me get you guys set up on the camera here, and I will show you how I did it. All right, I guess I should show you what exactly it is that I'm working with. So the kit came with this little tumbler, the arms for it, a screw to hold whatever arm you prefer on the back side of this. It came with the nut, and then this is just a piece, got 2 sharp little points on there. That's if you're putting it into a piece of wood, and that holds that little washer there. And then this is the washer I purchased. Everything that I'm all this stuff here, I will put that in the link down below. I got them off Amazon, and you'll be able to do that. I'm going to use a socket wrench with a 7/8 socket, and I have my screwdrivers, flashlight, just because, and that's the old one. So let me turn you around. Okay, so here's my drawer or face. That's the empty hole. This is pretty simple. So I got that washer, I got my tumbler, stick it in there. Now it is kind of loose in there. So as we tighten it up, as we snug it up, we'll kind of center it. As long as you don't have OCD, you're gonna be fine. This goes one of 2 ways, up and that way. So the way I chose to do it is to have this horizontal as we're traveling. So washer on the front of that, stick it in the hole, and I need second washer for the back side. Oh, I should also mention, yep, never see that again. This is 1 inch. I bought there's different sizes you could buy for basically the thickness of your cabinets, and that this is 1 inch, and again, this will be in the description below. So I put that in. Take the washer on the back side, hand tighten this nut. Like I said, I'm just going to snug it a little bit so that when I do move this, it stays. Now I'm going to center the washer, tumbler, and you can tell right now, I see it's a little bit off. So, let me turn you so you can actually see maybe a little bit. I don't know. Right now, see, right now it's a little off. So, I'm just gonna this is not easy with just having 2 hands. All right, so that we find that would be the unlocked position. And as I said, I put it up. So right about there is where I want it. And then we are going to take our 7/8 socket. Here it's on the Titan. I'm gonna just kind of hold it underneath so that the whole thing doesn't spin as I'm tightening. Just snug it down a little bit. Now, if you don't have a socket set, a 7/8 socket, you could use a crescent wrench. Heck, you could use a pair of pliers if you had nothing else. You just want to tighten it up a little bit. And then we're going to take our arm. I chose to use the one that's got this curve to it. And I'm going to do it. That's the way I said that's up. So that would be unlocked. And that would be locked. So right now I've got my handle in the locked position that I wanted. Yeah. So as I turn it, you can see that little arm moves. So it's going to lock on the upper edge of the cabinet. And just put this little screw on the back side. Tighten it down. Now the back side of this, and even on these arms, they're square shaped. So you can see it'll set down right where it needs to. And I'm just gonna give it a little tighten on there. Now I've found with mine that this gap in between the arm and the wood is a little too skinny. It doesn't quite fit over the edge of the cabinet. So what I've just done is just take the screwdriver, give it a little pry up on it, and boom, just like that. Lock is in, and as you can see, I actually did mine incorrectly, because what I didn't realize was it's not catching on the upper part of the cabinet as I thought, this edge. It's actually on this edge. So that's fine. I'll just undo this screw right here, and I can take this and move it. Like I said, it's square, so you can shift it however you want. It's actually really easy though, but as you can see, boom, just like that, cabinet's locked. So now I'm gonna go and finish doing it on the rest of my cabinets, and yeah, that's pretty easy. Got any questions or whatever, just let me know in the comments. Like I said, I will link everything down below in case you want to do this yourself. It's pretty easy. Anybody could do this one. Other than that, get between the mustard and mayo, guys. Bye.